Welcome students for this foundation class. Foundation, we will look at the science subject. So we have question number 26 is match the following. I will read the question, one question on by myself. Okay, match the following. On the left hand side we have solid angle, pressure, plane angle, electric current. On the right hand side we have ampere, steradian, Pascal and radian. So now we have to match the following. And they have given four options, which is the right option, or are you able to match at least one of them? What is the unit of electric current?
Sir, for pressure it is Pascal, sir.
Okay, electric current,
Electric
ampere.
sir.
So B is
Yes,
3,
sir.
D is 1. B is 3, D is 1. Which is the option? B 3, D 1. Which option is correct? B
Sir, 2
3.
and 3.
There are two are there, so we have to find out the other
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Plane angle, and solid angle. Plane angle, plane angle we always measure in terms of degree, degree or radian, isn't it? Have you heard of this word called radian?
No, sir.
Oh no. So in your what is the circumference of a circle? What is the formula?
2 by r, sir.
2 pi r. So the 2 pi is an angle made by the r. Let us say r is the radius. It traverses from one point to again comes back to the same point. So the 2 pi is the radian. 2 pi is the radian into r. So the 2 pi radian refers to 360 degree because it takes one full circle. So that is called radian. If 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree, so that is, if you want to convert into degree to radian, 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So what is pi radian is equal to how much? 2 pi radian is 360. Then pi radian is equal to
180 degrees, sir.
180 degree. Pi by 2?
What, sir?
Pi by 2 radian? What is the degree? Pi by 2 radian, pi radian 180 degree, pi by 2 radian 90 degree. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So electric current, of course, ampere. What is the unit for voltage? What is the unit for potential difference or voltage? It is volt. No? Maybe you have not studied. You may be studying next year. Okay. Okay. Go to question number 30th. We'll look at the 30th question. I'll make it little. Can anybody read 30th question? Somebody, can you read question 30?
Yes, sir. Find the picture which explains the light will be deviated away deviated away from the normal when it passes from a denser to rarer medium.
So when a light passes from a denser medium to rarer medium, the light is deviated away from the normal. Which picture gives that kind of a pictorially? Which picture is correct? Denser medium is on the bottom, rarer medium on the top. So one ray goes from the bottom to top. So which picture says the angle of inclination is different from the angle of deviation? So the angle of deviation should be bigger than the angle of incidence, should be bigger than angle of reflection or deviation. In the first one, I is the angle of incidence, R is the angle of reflection or refraction actually, I think. So is I bigger than R?
Yes. No, sir, it is equal.
No, first one, first picture. I is bigger
It was
than
bigger, sir.
R, but we want what? The light will be divided away from the normal. So we want R bigger than I. Which picture gives R bigger than I? I mean C actually, R. Now why they are giving like this? No, R bigger than here you see I is the incidence, C is the reflection. It is actually C is greater than I, they have said. So actually, but the picture shows something different. Picture shows something different. The picture shows something different in this case, but they mentioned I is less than C. This is C, this angle is C, this angle is I. Are you able to see the screen, children who have joined right now? ये
Yes, sir.
स्क्रीन देख सकता है?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is I, this is C. They say I is less than C. That is what they are asking. So answer is 2. Okay? But I think in this case, I is lesser and C is much bigger here also, but here they have given I equal to C. Anyway, since they have given here, then we cannot, because the picture was drawn wrongly. Okay, go to question 27. Somebody, you read the question?
Yes, sir. If a liquid gives force of 200 Newton with a pressure of 50 Newton meter power negative 2,
Oh,
then
no,
find
you have
the...
to read like this 50 Newton per meter square. Per.
Yes, sir.
We have to say per meter square.
50 Newton per meter square, then find the area in which it acts.
Force is equal to force divided by area will give you pressure. F by A will give you pressure. Here, F is given, force is given, P also given. You have to find A. F by P will give you A. F by P will give you A. What is the answer? F is force, P is pressure. F by P will give you area. F divided by area is equal to pressure is nothing but force in a unit area. So what is the answer? How much is F? So what is the value of F? Force?
The 4 meter square, sir.
4 meter square is the answer. What is the value of force?
Force is pressure into area, sir.
No, no. What is the value of force we given in this problem? F equal to 200, no? 200 newtons. So
Yes,
P
sir.
equal to 50. So 200 divided by 50 gives you 4. And that nm square in the bottom, that when it goes up, it becomes m square. So 4 meter square is the answer. All of you got it? Children?
Yes, sir.
Parley children? Parley students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, go to question number 28. Can anybody from the Parli Palak, can you read this 28?
Yes, sir. The astronauts wear a special dress to go into the space because
Because they have given 4 options. Which option is the correct?
sir, the third one.
Is the third one? Just look at very closely, then you tell me.
So the first one, sir.
Yeah, first one is the right answer. Why the other 3 are not correct answer? Tell me, who is that, Sabari? Tell me why. Definitely not the fourth one. To avoid pollution in atmosphere, that is not that. Okay, out. Fourth is out. Why it is not second or third? Third is also out because once it goes into space, your gravitational pull will not work. So that is out. So second and 1. How did you find 1 and 2? For me, it looks 1 and 2 both are same. The first one is the answer because there is no air in the atmosphere, and so to avoid high pressure in our body, they are wearing a special dress. Okay. Go to question number 31. The principle used in kaleidoscope is, I don't know whether you have seen kaleidoscope. No, yeah, it is like a binocular. You just see there inside a lot of colorful this glass bits will be there, and if you know rotate it, different shapes will be coming. Have you seen this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what principle is used in this kaleidoscope?
Sir, multiple reflection.
Anybody? Okay, we will keep it alak by the side. We will wait for others to give their answer. The principle used in kaleidoscope, Srinidhi, what could be the answer? It is multiple reflection is the right answer. Yes, because of multiple reflection, you are getting that kind of a different designs. Okay. Let us go to question number 29. 29. 29. Srinidhi, can you read this or one another some other Parli students? Deshmukh, can you read this? One of you read 29, question number 29.
The two upper ends of the tuning fork is called.
Tuning fork. It is called tuning fork. The two upper ends of tuning fork is called. So what is the answer? Yes, you can guess also.
Sir, prongs, sir.
Prongs is the right answer. You can guess. Yes, prongs is the right answer. Okay. Tuning fork. What do you mean by tuning fork? Can anybody say? It comes in which subject? Tuning fork is comes in which subject? It comes in physics. It comes in sound. Sound. Have you studied anything related to sound so far?
No, sir.
No. Maybe in 10th standard you will study for sound. Okay. Find the odd man out. 32. Depth, thickness, diameter, pressure.
Sir, pressure, sir.
Why pressure?
Sir, because the other three states an object's measure, sir.
Hmm.
But pressure can even change the object shape, sir.
Okay, I'll give that to you, but is there any other logic? If you go by your that formula, what is that formula you call? Dimensional formula. Depth, diameter, and thickness is only unidimension. Only one. Depth is in terms of meter or centimeter. Thickness also in terms of meter or centimeter or millimeter. Diameter also in terms of centimeter, meter or millimeter. Pressure is not like that. Pressure is force divided by area. So two values are two dimensions are there. One is the force, other one is the area. So it's a two-dimensional formula for pressure. For other three, it's a single dimensional formula. Okay? Do you agree with me? Are you with me? Are you able to understand, children, students?
Yes, sir.
Other students, Parli students, please give your feedback. If you don't understand, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Because pressure is called a derived dimensional formula. The other three, depth, diameter, thickness, it's a original no, formula. Okay. Go to question number next. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection is. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection is.
Law of reflection, sir.
Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection is. I don't know, a little confusing this word, this sentence. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection.
Law of reflection, sir.
Is it law of reflection or total internal reflection? Okay, I got confused. So let me go to the Google fellow. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. The first law of reflection states when the light is reflected from a surface, the angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Yes, it's a law of reflection. Correct. So I go with that. Law of reflection is the right answer. Okay. Next, can you read 37? Somebody?
Sir?
Yeah, can you read 37? Question number 37?
Yes, sir. Mass is neither created nor destroyed during physical or chemical change. Is law of multiple proportions. Option 2, law of combining volume. Option 3, law of conservation of mass. Option 4, law of definite proportions.
So which one is correct? Common sense says which one is correct? When the mass is neither created nor destroyed, it means what? Mass is conserved. Law of conservation of mass is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Next, choose the incorrect statement. A pure substance can be recognized by its density, melting point, refractive index. A pure substance is an element or a compound. A pure substance is a fixed composition. A pure substance can be easily separated by physical methods.
Sir, option 2, sir.
Is it option 2? But what about
Or
option 1?
3, sir.
What is 1?
Hmm.
I don't know. Okay, let me see. A pure substance is. Let me. A pure substance is a substance that is made of only one type of particle and has fixed structure and uniform chemical composition. Two substances that are made up only one fixed. Pure substances are further classified like that, like that, like that. Anyway, I don't know exactly. I'm not very sure. So you go and check up in your book. Okay. I don't want to teach you wrong methods. Oh, sorry. Barium chloride plus sodium sulfate will give. Barium chloride plus sodium sulfate will give. Just go through all the 4 options and then tell me.
Second option, sir.
Yes, barium sulfate. It will give barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Very good. Fantastic. So it's but it's very somewhat very close. Looks like same. If this is sulfide, this is sulfide, like that. No, you have to be careful. Okay, next question. Match the following: antimony, tungsten, lead, gold. So they have given the symbols. So what is the symbol of gold? Oh, you mean
AU, sir.
AU, correct. Lead, PB. So D is 2, C is 4. Where are you getting it? C is 4. C is 4, only one option. D is 2. Okay, that is fourth option is the right answer.
Sir, from option 2 and 4.
Option 2?
No, sir, option 4, sir.
Option 4 only. Yes. Even why I'm saying, even if you know one or two elements and symbol, you can get the answer. You need not know all the four. If you know all the four, it's well and good. Intermolecular space is minimum in. Intermolecular space is minimum in liquid, colloid, gas, solid.
Solid, sir.
Solid. Always in solid, the intermolecular space will be minimum. Next minimum will be liquid, and the next minimum only is gas. Gas will be intermolecular space will be more. Okay, question number 36. Can you read it? One of you. Find the incorrect pair. Bitumen, paint, liquid ammonia, fertilizer, petroleum, black gold, paraffin, motor fuel. Liquid ammonia fertilizer is a correct pair. Petroleum black gold also correct pair. But bitumen paint I doubt. Paraffin motor fuel, that also I doubt. Which one is correct? I do not know. I think bitumen paint is the incorrect pair. Bitumen is used to make tar, not paint. Bitumen is not used to make paint. It is used to make tar. Okay. So I think option one is the wrong answer. I mean, is the answer. Incorrect pair. The acidic property due to ant bite can be neutralized by. The acidic property due to ant bite. I'm reading question number 40. The acidic property due to ant bite can be neutralized by dash 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 for
Sir, calamine solution, sir.
yes, calamine solution is the right answer. You must be having in your home also. Do you have calamine solution in your home? Any of you? As soon as some bite or something was there, your mother will put a solution that is called calamine solution. Okay? Calamine solution is put on your skin wherever there is some bite, some mosquito or something is there, and they will put calamine solution. These days they put something else also. No, I don't know, some other solution also. But calamine solution is the right answer. Okay, go to next. Oh. The chemical name of baking soda.
Sodium bicarbonate, sir.
Sodium bicarbonate is the right answer. Baking soda is sodium. Baking soda, you will put more quantity or less quantity?
I think less quantity,
Very less
sir.
quantity they will put. Don't, you should not put more quantity. Okay, very good. You have to watch what your mother is doing, and from
Yes,
that
sir.
you can answer some of the questions. Yeah, read this 46th question. Somebody.
Muscles are attached to bones by option A, tendons, option 2, tendrils, option 3, synovial fluid, option 4, periosteum.
Periosteum. This is actually biology. So what is the okay? What is the answer?
The tendons, sir.
Tendons is the right answer. Yes, correct. Tendons is the right answer. Very good. Go to next. Find the odd man out. Find the odd man. Grass, chenopodium, amaranthus, eucalyptus. Which is the odd man out? Eucalyptus is a tree, whereas all other three are is not. It will not grow height. Grass, chenopodium, amaranthus. We will check. Anyway, we'll check because I don't want to. Chenopodium, no? Chenopodium. Cheno podium. Chenopodium is what? So this is also a kind of bush kind of thing. Okay. So that is why. So eucalyptus is the answer. Eucalyptus is a tall tree. What is the height of a eucalyptus tree? The maximum height that you have seen? Palak, have you seen a eucalyptus tree? Who has seen
Sir,
have you seen eucalyptus tree? In India, I don't know what they say about it. Eucalyptus tree, have you seen others? Sabari?
No, sir.
When you go to Ooty and Kodaikanal and all these hill stations, you can see eucalyptus tree. It will be very tall. It's something like about as tall as four buildings or four-story building, five-story building like that. Very tall. Okay. The smallest
Yes.
and the largest bones in the human body. The answer is stapes and femur. Stapes is a small bone. It is there in your ear. Kadu. It is in your ear. Kan, no? What is in Hindi for ear? Kan. Hindi people, can you tell me what is
So,
the in Hindi for
Kan,
Kan, no?
Kan.
Yeah, कान में बहुत थोड़ा छोटा बहुत छोटा एक बोन है इसका नाम स्टेप्स फेमur is your thigh bone thigh is there no that's a big bone so it's called femur is my Hindi okay students Adam's apple refers to Adam's apple refers to
Sir, larynx in
larynx
boys,
in
sir.
boys because the ear no under the our neck no in the neck one protruding will be there that's called larynx normally you can find in the boys or you can find other people also girls also if they have a thyroid problem sometimes when you have a thyroid problem this larynx will be very big okay very good find the odd man out flagella septia wings and skin I don't know. I think wings, skin. This I'm not very sure. Maybe skin. That's my guess. But I don't want to. You can go and find out. Flagella. Okay, we will find out here itself. Why? No, we'll see. Flagella. What is flagella? Flagella is also like a kind of a wing only. Flagella. Flagella. हिंदी में आ रहा है Flagella are a microscopic air-like structures. So it is a small structure. Okay. Then seta. S-E-T-A-E. Seta is. Seta are any number of different bristles of air-like structure. That is also seta. Okay, air-like structure. And skin is not air-like structure. It is different. Wings also almost air-like structure. So skin is the answer. Okay, according to no, okay, 1 minute. According to who? What is the expansion of who? Adolescence is the period between. What is the expansion of who? WHO.
World Health
World Health
Organization.
Organization. This name was mentioned many times during COVID period, isn't it? World Health Organization. What is the adolescent age? Most of you are in the adolescent age, I think.
Sir, between 11 and 19 years of age,
What is
sir.
your age, Sabri, now?
13, sir.
13. What is your age, Palak, now?
The 13.
13. Most of you are 13, 14. So you are all in the adolescent age. So 11 to 13 years of age is considered as the adolescent age. Pick the incorrect pair. Araucaria is ornamental plant. Epidera, somebody has come. Huh? No. Pinus, timber. Augustus, paper. I don't know. Araucaria. Araucaria is ornamental plant. Let's see whether we get Araucaria. Araucaria. Araucaria, is it an ornamental plant? No, it's not it's not an ornamental plant. It's a coniferous plant. So I think that will be wrong answer. Incorrect pair. Okay, let's look at Epidera. Epidera. Epidera is what? Genus of gymnosperm shrub. What is it? Cures rheumatism. Oh, this is cure rheumatism. It cures the rheumatism. Okay. The evergreen with small leaves, it has a long history of medicinal use. It cures rheumatism means your what do we call, some bone problem is called rheumatism. So it cures the rheumatism. Very good. That is correct. This thing. Pinus timber. Yeah. Pine tree and timber. No. It's not pinus. I'm not sure. Pinus. Let's see. Pinus. Pinus. It is a genus of evergreen conifers belonging to the family of Pinaceae. This Pinus includes the soft white pines and hard yellow. Yeah, it's a timber. No, I think it looks like a timber only. Description. Pine description. Pinus. One of the most widely distributed genera of trees in the northern hemisphere. No, it may not be timber then. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm getting confused. Okay. Then Augustus. Let's see, Augustus. Is it related to paper? Augustus. Augustus is commonly known as Coria damara, genus evergreen coniferous trees native to Australian southeast. Augustus is used for. What is Augustus used for? Is it paper? Included wood paneling, mine building, railway, shipbuilding, house construction. Not paper. I think. I'm not sure. You just check. I'm not able to find out. Augustus paper, I think, is not correct. Okay, go to this. Sorry. Alpha and beta cells in islets of Langerhans secretes. Alpha and beta cells in islets of Langerhans secretes. We'll see. Alpha and
Sir, glucose.
one minute. Secrete. Alpha and beta pancreas secrete glucagon and beta cell secrete insulin. Glucagon and insulin. Glucagon, insulin. Yes, there again. Fourth one, correct. Holes caused in ozone layer occurs in. This you may be knowing, I think. Holes caused in ozone layer occurs in which part of your atmosphere? Troposphere?
Stratosphere.
Stratosphere is the right answer. Correct. Very good. Next. Oh, this social science. We'll close at this. Social science we need not do. We will continue. Today I just preponed the class because I had some other work at 7:45. That is the reason. We'll again meet.